Aloha everybody, it's Kristy Nakamura with eXp Realty. I get a lot of questions about what's the home buying process like in Hawaii, what is it like to move, all these types of things. So we're going to break down the process to get started. So after you decide that you're interested in moving to the islands, one of the first things I like to do is a buyer's consult. There's a lot of differences between purchasing a home in the mainland and purchasing in Hawaii. So when we have our first initial consult, we'll go over kind of the expectations on what you're going to get for square footage, land size, bedrooms, bathrooms, if you can do a condo or a single family home, and just get an understanding of what our market is like here and if it is a move that you want to take. If you decide, all right, Kristy, we talked, story, we've got a good idea, yes, we want to move forward. The second thing I will do is start you up on a portal. And basically this will send you all of the listings that come to market that meet your criteria. We typically start with a little bit broader kind of search, and then we narrow it down as you look more into neighborhoods, parts of island, and get more familiarized with it. And then we make that tailored search for you.